Hey, Conor from Neversink Farm, and you probably just bought a gritter. Maybe you bought a gritter master kit, maybe you bought a spool with a handle, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's real simple, and I'm going to start with the gritter handle. Right, you just take the coupling, slide it onto the bottom handle, take the top part, slide it in. There's a little stopper in there, a little tab. So you just push it till it stops. Okay, and then you got 4 screws, right? I just put them all in. They're stainless, so they're gonna last a long time. Pretty much forever. Okay, then all you're gonna do is put these brackets on. All right, washer on the outside. Okay, just put it on there loosely because you're gonna be unloosening them to attach the spool later. All right, so they should slide, and you're ready to go, and that's the handle, all done. Okay, so now I'm gonna put together the spools. The Glitter Master Kit's gonna come with a 2x2, 3x3, and a 4x4. And they'll all be separated for you, but a 2x2 is gonna have 2 spools, 2 blades. It's gonna have a 3x3, will have 3. 3 spools, 3 discs, 3 blades. 4x4, 4 discs, 4 blades. Okay, so you want to get your bolts out, ready to go, and take one of the discs. Make sure that the dimple is facing out. Okay, and the out is going to be down for me. I'm going to put in the bolts from the outside on the dimpled side, right where you feel the bump. Right, put my okay, put my blades on. Okay, and go ahead and get that one tightened up. There you go, nice and tight. Not gonna be able to break anything. Okay, and then if it doesn't look like it's gonna fit, just flip it over. Okay, and then it'll be on the right side for the bolt. Okay, I'm gonna put the nut on. I'm gonna get that one tightened up. There you go. Okay. Throw in the axle. Okay. I'm going to throw on the other side. Okay. Get the keys lined up on the blades.
I do one at a time.
Okay. Then again, you want the dimple facing out, right, to the outside, right? So that's the bump, and then the carriage bolt going in. Okay. Okay, and you can go ahead and get that tightened up. Now the last one. That's it. Okay. I'm going to move on to the 3x3. Okay, and so same thing, that dimple, I want facing to the outside of the spool. Okay, we're going to get our first one. All right, so it's going to come from the outside of the spool to the inside. Going to get our blade on. Okay, get it nice and tight. Okay, and then we're just going to repeat that, going around the spool. Okay, and remember, if it doesn't look right, then just flip it over. Okay, they only go one way. Once you have the second blade in, before you put the third one in, you're going to put in the middle disc. Now the middle disc doesn't have a dimple on it, and it doesn't have the holes. Okay, and they just get keyed in, just like that. Okay. Now we can go ahead and put this last blade in. See, that doesn't look right, just flip it over. Gonna be good to go. It's gonna get keyed in here. Okay. Okay, you can go ahead and tighten that up. All right. Okay, now you want to get your axle. Just going to put it straight through the middle and into the end disc. And you're going to put your last disc on. Now remember, the dimple goes to the outside. Okay. Okay, get it keyed in. Okay, put your bolt in from the outside in. Okay. Get it tightened up, but make sure your other ones are keyed in, that something weird isn't happening. Okay, I'm going to work our way around. Okay, and then we get on to the last one. Same thing. Outside in. And then that's it. Real simple. Okay, now for the 4x4. Same idea. All right, we're going to take the dimple, face it down, and our bolts ready. Up and into the spool. Okay, just hold it together as we get that first one on there. Okay, we're going to work our way around. We're going to get number 2 in. We're going to put the third one in. Okay, so once we have the 3 in, we're going to put in the inner discs. Now the inner discs don't have a dimple on them, and they're not going to have the holes. Okay, and it's not going to matter which way you put them in. Okay, you just want to get them into the keys. Okay. Alright, so once we get them in, we're going to put our last blade on. All right, so we got the 4 blades bolted onto the outer disc. Now we just send this through the middle. Okay, just turn it if you need to, just to get it through. Right, and then stick it into the last disc. And then we're going to put the outer disc on. Remember, the dimple is going to be facing out. Okay, going to turn it down. We're going to put our 4 last bolts in one at a time. Okay, and they're going to go from the outside to the inside on every one. All right, so once you have it all together, you may want to just go around, just make sure that they're all tight. You're probably not going to be taking this apart, so you want to make it nice and tight the first time. Okay, and this looks really good. Okay, and so I'm going to show you how to put it onto the holder, which is very simple. Okay, so this is a 4x4, and so the number 4, you just want to get the bolt centered on that 4. Okay, this one should be loose. Okay, so once that's tightened down on the 4, if you're doing a 3x3, then it would be on a 3. Okay, get around to the other side, get the axle onto it, and slip that in. Okay, all right, get it tight. There you go. All set, ready to go. Make some grids.